It was on one bright March morning I bid New Orleans adieu. I took the road to Jacksontown, my fortune to renew. I cursed all foreign money, no credit could I gain, which filled my heart with longing for the lakes of Pontchartrain. Well, I stepped on board of a railroad car underneath the morning sun, and I rode the roads all evening and laid me down again. All strangers there, no friends to me, till a dark girl toward me came, and I fell in love with a Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. Well, I said, my pretty Creole girl, my money here's no good, and if it weren't for all the alligators, I'd sleep out in the wood. She said, you're welcome here, kind stranger, though my house is very plain, but we've never turned a stranger out on the banks of Pontchartrain. She took me to her mommy's house, and she treated me right well. The hair upon her shoulders in jet black ringlets fell, to try to paint her beauty, I'm sure it would be in vain. So handsome was my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. Well, I asked her if she'd marry me. She said this could never be, for she had got a lover and he was lost at sea. She said that she would wait for him, and true that she would remain till he returned to his Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. So fare thee well, my Creole girl, may I never see you more, but I'll never forget your kindness, your cottage by the shore, and at each social gathering of flowing glass I'll trade, and I'll drink a health to my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain.